Video introduce about Geohyecc 2023 newest Android Auto Wireless Adapter. We will introduce the features and brief details, what's features including. To make a decision before buy order. Overview or important features are include. Android Auto Wireless Adapter Dongle. 2023 newest wireless Android Auto adapter can quickly convert your wired Android Auto to wireless, built-in 5G chip and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi rate, fast processing speed and compatibility. More stable connection. Supports Google Assistant, GPS navigation, music app, phone call and messages. Compatible with Android Auto only, not for any other system. Compatible car models and phone. Only compatible with cars or stereos equipped with Android Auto, not for other CarPlay systems, such as Apple CarPlay. Please make sure your phone also supports Android Auto. It is recommended to use the system version of Android 11 and above. Apple CarPlay and iPhones are not supported. Video, YouTube, Netflix are not supported. No lag and faster response. Built-in 5G chip, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi rate and 5.2 Bluetooth, low power, 2 millisecond low latency, and anti-interference, giving you a more stable and smooth streaming experience. Auto Connect and Plug-and-Play. Connects automatically to Android Auto via Bluetooth after first setup. Just plug and play, no need for any extra drive or installation application. Enjoy Android Auto Wireless. Android Auto Wireless Adapter for OEM factory wired Android Auto to wireless, improving the user's driving experience. Super convenient to your wired Android Auto to wireless. Built-in 5G chip and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi rate, even if the phone is in the pocket, it can be easily identified. The 5G chip greatly reduces the delay rate and transmits in real time, allowing you to use navigation or listen to music smoothly, providing you with a safe and stable driving environment. If you want to get more details, we recommend click link in the YouTube description, to see all of detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews. Helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. And important. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.